Hey guys, Chris Birch here, Entrepreneur Strategies. I am in the shop today, getting ready to set up a business card order. Came in on our website this morning, and I wanted to just kind of bring you guys in and show you, what it is that we do and how we do it. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can actually see my screen and how we assemble a business card print order. Alright, so we got the screen flipped around here. What we use to set up our business card orders, they usually come in already designed, so therefore we don't typically design all of them. But what we have here is templates that we use. And this one here is the front side of our business card. So as simply as right here on the right hand side, you have a window that says links. So for us, all we have to do is grab the front file and relink that to the card that we want to then import. And we have the card here that we just downloaded. Let's import the front, and then you'll watch it automatically replaces it right there on the screen. Oops, sorry about that. Knocked into the camera, sorry. And then with the back file, if we just scroll down on the page, there's the back file. We're going to go up into that same link menu and then replace that file right there, and then boom, it does it. So to export it, we simply export all of our files as a PDF right there. Save it as a PDF, and then it's named 24-up business card, and then we can just simply hit save. It'll now export the job. Now we have that exported. We go over to our command workstation, which is the software that we use on our digital print device. And simply we're going to hit import. We grab that file that we just created, import the job. It now renders that file. As you see there, it's now rendering the file. And then we'll go ahead. We already have pre-selected output. So it's coming out of tray 6, 13 by 19. It automatically knows to print the file double-sided or duplexed, as we call it. And this order was for 100 cards. We print them 24 on a sheet, so we always print 6 sheets. And now it's rendering that file, and let's walk over to our digital press as they come out. Here is our Versant 80 digital press, and it already started printing the first set of cards. That's the same file that we just imported, and as you see, it's automatically double-sided. So we're going to take these over to our cutter, big old paper cutter. I'm going to set the camera down and you'll watch how we automatically cut this job. Alright, so we're back here at the cutter. We've got the job sitting in there. And then this is a fully programmable, there it is, Polar is the cutter that we use. Fully automatic, and you'll watch. So it's already set to business cards. So that's the first cut. And then all we got to do is turn it one to the right. And it automatically feeds back in for the second cut. And now it's going to flip all the way around 180 degrees. And now it's going to chop all the way down as it cuts, and then it back trims. So that's the first cut. Now it's going to cut the 2-inch of the business card, and then it's going to back trim. And now it's going to cut another row of cards, and then another back trim. Guys, this is already like pre-programmed. So when we first created this template, we had to actually come in and tell it which increments to cut. But now, 15 years later, we're still printing and using the same template since 2005. Alright, so now it's done all these individual rows, right? Now, the next step in this program, you actually want to jog all of these up into a straight row. The cutter's already in position to do the final cut and back trim. And as you see here, bam, we have a double-sided, full color. It's on a really thick 14 or maybe 16-point paper. But, you know, for you guys that have never seen it before, you know, that's the automated system that we've set up here, where customer order comes in online. It's, you know, a web order. We download the file. The customer's already paid for it, whether they're going to ship it or whether they're coming to pick it up. You know, of course, now in COVID, we've kind of closed off, you know, a lot of our operation in the shop. So customers are now able to pick up outside, or they can order their items to be shipped. If this video has provided you some value, some content, some wherewithal, some information on how business cards get printed, please hit the thumbs up down there. Subscribe to the channel if you like more of this content. And, you know, I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Talk to you soon. This is Chris Burch. See ya.